we are now here in Taipei 101. It's part of it's one of the MRT's main station. So Red Lane and then Taipei 101 World Trade Center. So here we go. That was exit 4 from the MRT line. Then you will see it right when you exit. So packed with tourists. It looks like exit 3 is also going to be heading here. So either way, 3 or 4, you're going to end up near the Taipei 101. This is the very entrance of the Taipei 101. It's so tall. There's that. Hey, hello! Weird looking guy. Let's see what's it about. It looks like steel. Okay, here we go. Infinite Life. Meaning. Pretty nice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.